Thank you very much. In my first tutorial, you saw how can we make how we can set up a database SQL Server 2008. In this time, I am now going to teach you how can we create a database table. So let's open our database Microsoft SQL Server 2008 R2 version. And the process to create database, before I say, I am Md.Shamrat Miah. I am a Novice programmer. So let's open SQL Server 2008 R2 version. This is our SQL Server 2008 R2 Management Studio, and it's our environment. If your PC has two version of database, suppose SQL Server 2008 or and SQL Server 2000, then you must be start your SQL Service Manager, refresh. You need to start this SQL Service Manager, and it's need a few seconds, and after a few seconds in this symbol will be so green. So then we can connect our SQL Server 2008 R2 version. So now I am going to click on connect button when my database SQL Server 2008 R2 version will be complete. This time here is my local server name. Actually my property name, my local server name is Spider PC SQL Express 2008. It's my SQL server name. So when I apply this database with on Visual Studio, at that time I need to be this address for connection. Now for create a database, please click database and click right button on in mouse, new database, please click. And one dialog box will be open, and we need to write our database name. Yes, database name. For example, my database name is mobile phone. Okay, and I click OK. Before I create my database, I need to be check any kind of database the same name. Our server doesn't allow the same name, so I check before I create database. Okay, phone book. Phone book. Okay, and I'm now going to click on this add button. That time my database will be created in this site. Okay, I click OK, and here it is executing. When it is complete 100%, that time my DB will be complete. It need a few seconds. Yes. Yeah. At the time, in this time, now I'm checking. Yes, my phone book database is now created. In this time, I will be going to create table. So if I click, when expanding will be complete, then we able to see that there is no table. So I just create right button inside table, new table, and here is my column name, data type, and allow nulls. So my first if I want to create any kind of table, at first we need to fix our column name, data type, and is it null or not, and that and the end of this process we will be able to write our table name. So at first time I am writing my first column name or field name, ID, data type. Here is some of ID. So ID, I am now searching integer type. So integer type, allow nulls. Okay, allow nulls is in this time it is active. So I can input, I can save null value. If I inactive that, I can't save null value. So I active that, and now I going to save. When I want to be saved, I need to be table name. My table name is contact information. Yes. Here is my table. It's going to be show me as contact information, and this is my design. I can also see my field name column. When it is complete expanding, this is my field name or column name. I need to change my data type. My data type will be integer. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay. Okay, modify. Yes. Yes. I want to modify that data type, I need to be select script table as drop and create to new query. And here we are going to see some of code for modify. It needs a few seconds. Yes. Okay. Integer. So 4 primary. Okay. Yes, command completed successfully. And when we go to, and if we want to see our design, the time we will able to show that our this is yes, execute. Yes, command is completely successful. Yes, id integer null. So my column is now perfectly updated. So this is my tutorial video for how we can create a database and create table. So this time we can able to make our database and table. The next tutorial we will teaching how can we create a connection by database and what is the process to code in C#. Thank you very much.